Thank you, Bill. Now, the first case of COVID-19 has been confirmed at NAS Corpus Christi. In a Facebook post, Base Commander Captain Chris Jason said the individual is currently isolated on base and his movements have been restricted. Jason says a thorough investigation was conducted.
Following the recommendation of military health professionals, we did close all child youth program services. That includes the CDC and the Youth Activity Center until April 15th. That's this coming Thursday for a full contract cleaning by cleaning professionals.
Captain Jason says all those who've had contact with the individual have been notified by investigators. He says the base continues to recommend that all personnel wear face coverings starting at the point of entry at the main gate.